But it just had the same title. هيا نلعب.
Perfect. What does it mean, by the way?
Let's play.
Wait,
Again.
this is the title of the series. You're right. Good observer. This is the title of the whole series. So let's move. Bismillah. هيا نلعب. Let's play. So let's see what is happening here.
قالت مريم هذه لك. هذه بعض البالونات لك. ها هي يا عمر. هذه لك.
So what do you think this means?
Maryam said, here it is.
Ah.
For you.
Oh. This is for you. That's it. She's given him what?
Here. Oh, ballonat, like balloons.
Yes, exactly. The same word.
The balloons.
Yes, exactly. That's it. Move on. This is for you. This is some balloons for you. Here it is, Ya Umar. This is for you. Again, she keeps saying, this is for you. Let's move. What's happening?
قال عمر انظري يا مريم بإمكاني أن أقفز بإمكان أن أقفز.
So what does it mean? What do you think it means? Or it's written down there, but can you say it to me? Omar said,
look, Maryam, I can jump.
Yes, he is doing a magic. No one can jump but him, right? I think so.
Yeah.
Okay, he said, بإمكاني أن أقفز. So can you make a sentence like this? That I can play. I am doing a magic. I can play. So can you say similar sentence?
بإمكاني أن ألعب.
Exactly. Can you give me another magic verb that you can do? Only you can do?
Only I.
No. I'm just kidding. Any verb that you want to do, that you only can do it. Imagine that you only can do it. Okay, the verb for fly means يطير for هو. So can you talk about yourself that you can fly?
بإمكاني أن أطير.
Perfect. So Bismillah. Say Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Let's go. So here we go. This is about a conversation between number 1 and number 2. Number 1 is a man. Number 2 is a woman. And I'm telling you this because it will be changing in this person and you will tell me why. Okay?
Okay.
So Bismillah. So I'm going to be number 1 as a man for this first sentence, which is written here. So answer me, I am a man and you're a woman. Give me a tone of a woman. Try your best. So
you start first.
Yeah. So use her voice. So أين الغداء؟
الغداء على المائدة.
أنا جوعان جدا.
لدينا ضيوف.
ضيوف؟ من؟
والدتي والدي ووالدتي وجدي.
Oh my God, I am so hungry. I have to eat right now. You gotta give me the food. أنا لن آكل. I will not. Oh, you mean that do not eat, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it was actually لا تأكل. Remember, you're preventing me to eat. Okay, I'm the man here and I will behave. So, Bismillah. Now, you're going to be number 1 and you're going to be a man and I'm going to be the woman and I will try to pretend. So, now,
أين الفطور؟
الفطور على المائدة.
أنا جوعان جدا. أنا جوعان جدا.
ولكن لدينا ضيوف.
ضيوف؟ من؟
أخي وأختي وعمي. So who are they? Who are they that I was talking about that we are waiting?
The woman's brother,
Uh-huh.
the woman's sister, and the woman's uncle.
Great.
Just probably is old. Same.
Yeah, of course they have to be. You see them, they are really old. But let's move before we end. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أتوب إليك.
أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. That's it. See you soon. إن شاء الله.
السلامة.
مع السلامة. السلام عليكم. Bye.